Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. Before we begin, tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. I love reading your comments and seeing viewers from around the world. If you're new here, please support my channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss our natural health and beauty tips. Now let's get started. Did you know that one vitamin E capsule or vitamin E oil mixed with virgin cold-pressed coconut oil can become a simple overnight beauty treatment? The first benefit is deep hydration. If your skin is dry or rough, this mixture helps lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth by morning. The second benefit is healthier-looking skin. As we get older, our skin naturally loses collagen and elasticity, making fine lines more noticeable. Vitamin E helps protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, while coconut oil keeps the skin hydrated. Although this remedy won't erase wrinkles overnight, consistent use may improve your skin's overall appearance and make it look healthier. The third benefit is improving the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Sun exposure, acne marks, and aging can leave behind pigmentation. Vitamin E may help improve the appearance of these marks over time, while coconut oil helps spread the oil smoothly across the skin. For dry skin massage, onto hands, feet, elbows, and knees before bedtime. For fine lines, apply a thin layer to clean skin at night and gently massage upward. For dark spots, apply only to the affected areas every night. Remember that natural remedies require patience, and visible improvements usually take several weeks. Another wonderful benefit is for cracked heels. If your feet become dry or cracked, apply this mixture before bed and wear a pair of cotton socks overnight. The coconut oil deeply nourishes dry skin, while vitamin E supports the skin's natural repair process. With regular use, your feet may become softer and smoother. This remedy can also be used on dry lips. Apply a very thin layer before bedtime to help keep your lips soft and moisturized overnight. Another amazing benefit is for your hair. Coconut oil helps reduce protein loss, while vitamin E nourishes the scalp. Massage the mixture into your scalp, leave it on for 1 hour, and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Use it twice a week for healthier, shinier hair. Making this remedy is very easy. Mix 2 tablespoons of virgin cold-pressed coconut oil with 1 vitamin E capsule or few drops of vitamin E oil. Stir well, and it's ready to use. Always perform a patch test before using any new skincare product. If you have acne-prone or very oily skin, coconut oil may clog pores for some people, so avoid applying it all over your face unless you know your skin tolerates it. This remedy is not a replacement for sunscreen. Wear SPF 30 or higher every day to protect your skin from UV damage. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.